In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CPU unsupported SSSE3 in Apex Legends on Steam. If you're getting this error when trying to launch Apex Legends, don't worry. I'll walk you through a few practical things you can try in Steam and on your PC to improve the chances of getting the game to start properly. It's important to know up front that some of these fixes can help with launch problems that look like an SSSE3 issue, but they may not solve the problem if your processor truly does not support SSSE3 instructions. First, go ahead and try the basic troubleshooting steps shown here. This is a good starting point because temporary launch issues can sometimes be caused by a minor game or system glitch. Even if the error looks serious, it's worth trying the simple fixes first before moving into Steam settings. Next, open Steam and go to your library. Find Apex Legends, right-click it, and open Properties. From there, select Installed Files. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks whether in-game files are missing, corrupted, or incomplete, and Steam will automatically repair anything it finds. Depending on your drive speed and the size of the update files, this may take a few minutes, so let it finish completely before testing the game again. After that, stay in the Apex Legends Properties window and look for the Launch Options field. In that box, type - use all available, cores as one word, use all available cores. This launch option tells the game to make use of all available CPU cores, and for some users, it has helped with startup related issues. It's a quick setting to test, and it only takes a moment to add. That said, keep in mind that this is more of a compatibility or startup tweak than a guaranteed fix. If your CPU genuinely lacks SSSE3 support, no launch option can add a missing hardware instruction set. So while this method has helped some users get past launch issues, results can vary depending on your system. The next thing you should do is update Windows and your chipset drivers. Outdated system software can sometimes cause games to misread hardware features or run into compatibility problems during launch. Install any pending Windows updates, then check your motherboard or system manufacturer's support page for the latest chipset drivers for your PC. Once everything is updated, restart your computer before trying Apex Legends again. This is one of the ways to fix this problem, and in many cases, these steps are enough to resolve startup issues on Steam. Try each one carefully and test the game after making the changes so you know what worked.